Welcome to Empire Halls, Stoke-on-Trent, a beacon of modern urban living designed for your ultimate comfort and style. Step into a world of contemporary elegance with a diverse range of luxurious studios and convenient en-suites. Each room features a plush bed, a dedicated desk, ample light, and storage to keep your space organized and inviting. But wait, there's more. Challenge your friends in the games room and catch the latest flicks at the on-site cinema. Forget about utility bills as everything is taken care of, allowing you to relax and enjoy your living experience to the fullest. Conveniently located near Staffordshire University and a short ride away from Keele University, commuting to lectures is a breeze. Whether you're in the mood for a caffeine fix at Jay's Cafe or a hearty meal at Lahore Kebabish and Pak Fried Chicken, your taste buds are in for a treat. With excellent transport links at your doorstep, the city and beyond are easily accessible for your exploration and convenience. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your lifestyle at Empire Halls, Stoke-on-Trent. Visit amberstudent.com today and discover your new home where luxury meets community in the heart of the city.